Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a stylish crochet head kerchief designs ideas. Get ready to create a amazing style head kerchief designs ideas to add a touch of elegance to your everyday look. In this video, we will be making a stylish crochet head kerchief using yarn and techniques. Learn how to crochet a beautiful and vintage style accessory. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next we will add the pattern and texture. To shape your head kerchief we will use techniques. Experiment with different yarn color and texture and embellishment like button, applique work, beads, pearls, stones, different shells and many other accessories you use and decor your head kerchief easily. Try using different yarn and stitches and pattern to head kerchief style. If you want more information about home decor with the help of crochet work and different ideas, different accessories about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Keep watching my more different ideas, stay lined and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. You decor your head kerchief easily and wear easily, and that's it. Your crochet head kerchief is complete and ready to use. Thanks for sitting alone with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. I have uploaded many different type of videos on my YouTube channel, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Please share your finished crochet head kerchief with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new video for more crochet accessories and home decor ideas, girls accessories, girls dresses, girls ideas. Happy hooking. We will be see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Protect your head hairs days to adding a stylish touch. Wear as a headband, scarf or head kerchief. If you want more information, so please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. Hope so you like it, all the different designs and different pattern. Take care.